I guess people are right. I am not meant for this world. Okay, let me share completely like what happened. Okay, so it's about few months back, exactly 6 months back. This guy and I walking along the beach and he starts saying things about another person. I'm like, okay, so he is talking about this other person and my job is to listen. So I command myself to just listen, not judge, nothing. Just listen. I just listened. Now get this. This happened 6 months back. Now 2 3 days back, okay, so I'm again with this guy and then he goes like, wait, why did you tell that person that I told you about this person? I'm like, what, when, why? I didn't say anything. And at this stage he's constantly accusing me like, why did you tell this person, in a way that he knows that I said this thing to that person, that this person, this guy was bitching about that person that we shouldn't name. And I'm constantly denying, no, I did not say anything. No, I didn't say anything. No, nothing such happened. No, no, no. I'm back to back denying, and he's back to back accusing me of sharing this to that person that I shouldn't have said. And then I kept denying and denying and denying. Then there's silence. There's this silence. I'm minding my work and that guy is minding his work, and there's complete silence. And then he opens up saying, you know, that day we spoke things about that person. I'm like, okay, I'm still listening to him. And then he says, hey, please don't lose your mind and go tell that person everything. I'm like, why am I gonna tell anything? And it's been 6 months and you're still worried that I'd go to this person, say everything? Hold on, wait a minute. We come back home and that's when it hits me. It hits me what just happened. Wait, guys, I feel ashamed at this point that people like this exist. I mean, if you wanted to know that if I've told something to that person, you could have directly come and asked me, but no. First accuse me and then keep saying, no, you have done this. Tell me the truth. You have done this. And when I keep denying, when I'm speaking truth, then tell me, oh, you know, I'm worried about this thing that you might go and say to this person. So please don't tell. Why was all the drama and the moment of anxiety that I went through? Oh my god, did I tell this? How did that person come to know? I didn't say anything, which technically I might have because I don't trust outsiders. But what the hell was that? What was that? And I kid you not, this has happened so many multiple times in my life, and I have only realized it later on. Like, oh my god, these people played with me, like in friendships and all that. I'm like, the hell is wrong with people? I'm just trying to be good. Even if I try to be bad, I just can't. I just can't. And that's why my family worries about me. Like, I'm too good to be for this world. And they're like, no, you're staying home, you're not going out. Most of the time.